Once you click on the Join Now link inside the email that was sent to you, you'll be prompted to create your free Locable account. This is what will allow you to edit your directory listing on the Chamber website and in numerous other places. Once you create your login, follow the prompts to claim or create your business listing. The Chamber has likely already created yours for you as a Chamber member. So first, just use the search box to find your. Once you find it, just click on This is it. If you can't find it, then scroll down and underneath that, click on Add it now. Confirm the details the Chamber is already entered for you. Please make sure that these are accurate as this is public facing and live on the internet. Or if you're a home-based business, please feel free to use the easy checkboxes to hide street address from public. This will allow you to still be included, but still keep your home address private. If everything looks good, then just click Next Step. Next, under the Add a Few Details, you'll add your logo. You'll simply click the Add Image box, and you'll be able to select an image from your computer. Under the description, you can simply copy and paste the About Us from your website, but please keep in mind this is where a potential customer will be learning about you for the very first time. So please be sure to be as descriptive as possible, mention any services that you think they might be looking for, or any other just really good information you want them to know. If you're a print or media company, consider looking into the Locable Publisher Network. And then for the rest, we're simply going to copy and paste our URLs for our different social media platforms. I do recommend you go ahead and do this because if you don't have time to do it now, how are you going to have time to do it later? And so if you don't know how to do this, it's very simple. You're going to simply navigate to your own Facebook page. You should be looking at your Facebook page here. We're then going to go up to the navigation bar and copy this long URL. We want the whole thing, and then we're going to come back here and paste it in the appropriate box. And then we're just going to do that for the other social media accounts we have. Then we'll hit Continue. And now we've been logged into the dashboard of our free Locable account. This might seem a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's just because it's new. And there is a growing number of tutorials available to help you get things done as quickly as possible for your business. However, I just very quickly want to show you where to look for the pieces you might look for the most. As you can guess, it's probably already going to be on our home screen of our dashboard because if it's that important to us, it's going to be very easy to find. And as you can see, Locable has tried to make things as easy as possible by categorizing them based on our goals. So for attracting customers, we can create a quick blog post. We can post an event that will be sent out to the other campaigns we're a part of. We can also collect reviews and sell gift cards. For team building, we can post a job, volunteer opportunity, recognize a team member, or connect into a job board. So this is for the collection of job postings. This is your individual job posting. We can also support our community, which we definitely want to do by creating or joining local networks like the Chamber Business Directory. We can also add a community calendar to our website. We can add the Chamber Community Calendar, if we would like to your own website. It's a one-click import, very simple if showing the community events is important to you. And then we can also do the same with the local directories. That being said, what I would really like us to focus on is underneath Marketing Foundation. So you definitely want to complete your company profile as much as possible. You can also invite staff so that they have access to your account and can make a lot of these updates and changes for you. And you can also link your Google My Business account, which is very important because Locable is trying to reduce the amount of places you have to go update your just basic business information. So instead of having to do it in 10 places, you can do it within Locable, and anytime you make an update, it will automatically go out to these other platforms like Google My Business, and of course, the Chamber website. So let's focus on the Marketing Foundation. A very quickly shows you the list of things that you need to do, and all you have to do is just click on each one and go update your business information. Again, I recommend going ahead and doing that now, because if you don't have time for it now, you won't have time for it later. And then before you know it, it's years later and you still just don't have your basic business information out there on the internet for your potential customers to come find you. And that's really what we want. So please go ahead and take the time to do that. And if you have any questions, please reach out to the Chamber or to Locable.